ServiceNow Studio isn't going anywhere, but if you've been curious why devs like me are moving to the SDK, here's an honest breakdown. So ServiceNow Studio is great at what it does. If you're doing configuration first work, laying out forms, building flows in Flow Designer with the visual canvas, or you've got team members who don't live in code, ServiceNow Studio is the right tool. It's visual, it's accessible, and it's been the default for a lot of people. Nothing wrong with that. The SDK, though, gives you something different. You get local development, you get Git native version control, you get the ability to pair with AI coding agents that can read your entire project. They can follow multi-step instructions, they can write platform native code for you. Every change is diffable, reviewable, and it lives in your editor of choice. For me, VS Code. The best part, though, is that the output is the same. Both paths produce a scoped application. A scoped app built with the SDK and a scoped app built in Studio are the same artifact on the platform. Same tables, same business rules, same everything, mostly. The only difference is how you got there. So what are the trade-offs? Branch management from external tools is limited right now. If you need branching workflows, you'll want to use source control inside ServiceNow Studio or manage branches through GitHub directly. That's a known constraint today, and it's good to know now rather than have you hit it mid-project. So figure out which way you want to go. So here's how I think about it. For AI's assisted builds where I'm working with Claude Code, the SDK is my default now. For a quick form tweak or a one-off flow update, or I'll still pop into ServiceNow Studio. They're not competing for me. I pick the one that fits the task. If you're building something from scratch and you want an AI coding agent doing all the heavy lifting, SDK. If you're making a quick config change on an existing app, Studio. If you're onboarding a new team member who thinks in forms and flows, ServiceNow Studio. If you want code review, Git diffs, and the ability to roll back changes with the commit history, SDK. And if you're not sure, try both on a small project and see which one clicks. You can always switch back and forth. The platform doesn't really care how the app got there, which is cool. Okay, thanks. Talk to you in the next one.